Next is cold desert. See in the picture, there you will not see any tree, and only desert type area, or like dry area you can see over here. At last Loner and I reached Leh. For the first time I saw such an area, high, dry and flat, called a cold desert. इसे बोला जाता है कोल्ड डेजर्ट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वहाँ पे पेड़ नहीं है, रेनफॉल वहाँ पे बहुत ही कम होता है. Ladakh gets very little rainfall. Here there are high snow-capped mountains and a cold, flat ground. देखिए यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ग्राउंड दिख रहा है, और जो माउंटेन्स है उस पर बहुत सारे बर्फ पड़ी रहती है. So in Leh, I found myself in a quiet street with beautiful white houses as I rode slowly. Rode, this is a past tense of ride. So जैसे जैसे वो आगे आगे जा रहा था अपनी मोटरसाइकिल पे, I found that I was being followed by a group of children. So he found that he is being followed by a group of children. They are the localites of that place. They called out Jule Jule, meaning welcome, welcome. They were all amazed to see my loner. Everyone wanted me to come to their home. And in their language, the meaning of the word they use for welcoming any person, that is Jule Jule, right? Next, at home with Tashi. Tashi dragged me to his home. It was a beautiful building with 2 floors. The house was made of stones which were kept one over the other. The walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. इन सारी चीज़ों से जो दीवारें हैं वो बनी हुई थी मड और लाइम, मतलब चूना और मिट्टी. द हाउस लुक्ड लाइक अ शेड फ्रॉम इनसाइड विथ ए लॉट ऑफ हे. हे मतलब जो घास होती है उसे हे बोला जाता है. स्टोर्ड देयर. वी टुक the wooden steps and reached the first floor. This is where we stay, explained Tashi. The ground floor is for our animals and for storing necessary things. Sometimes when it gets too cold, we also move downstairs. I noticed that the ground floor had no windows. Thick tree trunks were used to make the roof strong. See here in this picture we can see the roofs are made up with hay, right? See, and this is the ground floor, and whenever there is very heavy cold, so that time they go downstairs, and to the ground floor there is no any window. Thick tree trunks were used to make the roof strong, and the roof जो है वो जो ट्री ट्रंक होती है उससे स्ट्रॉन्ग किया जाता है. Tashi then took me to the roof of his house. What a view! I could see the same flat roofs all around. On some red chilies were laid out to dry, and on some there were orange pumpkins and golden yellow corn. जैसे कि जो उनके घरों के छत थे वहाँ पे जो लाल मिर्च थी उसे सुखाया जा रहा था, और ऑरेंज पम्पकिन्स कद्दू जो होते हैं ऑरेंज कलर के उससे, और गोल्डन येलो कलर के कॉर्न्स जो जिसे हम मक्का बोलते हैं, राइट? तो वो सब वहाँ पे छतों पे सुखाया जा रहा था. सम हैड स्टैक्स ऑफ पैडी. स्टैक्स मतलब इकट्ठा जो राइस के जो फसलें होती हैं उसे भी वहाँ पे रखा गया था. एंड ऑन सम काउ डंग केक्स वर लेड टू ड्राई. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर हाउस, सेड ताशी. During summer season, we dry many fruits and vegetables. We store them for winters when we do not get fresh fruits and vegetables. So this thing we have seen in lesson number 5, mangoes around the year, जिसमें कि हम बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स को इस्तेमाल कर सकते थ्रू आउट द ईयर, उसको ठीक से सुखा कर। सो सेम वे में ये लोग क्या करते हैं, फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स को वो क्या करते हैं, बहुत दिनों के लिए वो यूज़ करें इसलिए उसको अच्छे से ड्राई करके उसको स्टोर करके रखते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन यूज़ इट इन विंटर सीजन. As I stood there with Tashi, I could see how every part of the house was built specially to suit the needs of his people. I could understand how the thick walls, a wooden floor, and a wooden ceiling protected them from the cold. जो वहाँ के घर है, वहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है, वहाँ का जो एनवायरनमेंट है, वहाँ के हिसाब से घरों को बनाया गया है.